Good morning and welcome to Stock Pivots pre-market analysis. Let's deep dive straight into the market insights. Today we'll start with S&P 500. So right here, currently we are trading at 585. We are looking for a little bit of pullback. VIX is shooting up. We are looking for a market to pump and dump for next few days. There will be a lot of volatility ahead. So the minimum retracement on the S&P 500, we are looking for 576 area, 576.83. So this is the area, about $7 down, and then continue the upward momentum. 576 will be the make or break point for S&P 500, either from 576. If it failed to hold 576, we are straight going into 539, the major sell-off, wave A. If it hold 576, then we'll continue the upward into 591 area. So the next trading range on S&P 500 is from 576 to 591. This is the range we'll be monitoring. Moving forward to coin, we have hit the price target. This is our second price target we have hit. The first price target was 211.16. Second price target was 254. We are right there at the right at our price target. The third price target we are looking at 301.81. So we are still bullish on coin. It will continue towards 301.81. This is the area that we are looking to close our position, and the reason being this pending sell side order block, this red area which is highlighted. Right here you'll see the liquidity swap. So again, it will come here and you'll see the liquidity swap and pull back in this area back. So 301.81, we are looking to close our Cornell position and all the coin stock. So any position on coin, this area will be exiting the position. Moving forward to Tesla, we have hit our price target. We are on our second price target right here. So the first price target was $291 right in this area, which was the neckline of the double bottom and a recovery. After this failed a rejection from the 200 EMA breakout, we were looking for 291. Second price target 354.86. So what we are looking at, this consolidation area from the left hand side, this liquidity swap, consolidation in this, another consolidation here. So what will happen when the price comes back to 354? Right now it's trading at 341, a little bit of pullback because of the overall market today and some economic news this morning. So what will happen? It will continue upward in 354 area, and then we'll see the consolidation. That consolidation will be undecided area, that whether it will break out into 414 or it will pull back into 313 area. So this area, when we are at 254 plus, that's the area we'll be monitoring, and we need to stay covered in this area for probably 20th June OTM call or merit put for 20th of June. So this is the area of monitoring Tesla stock at 354. SMCI stock, we took our entry at $31.30. Excellent trade. We made enough money, and we are continuing holding our short put for $65. We were expecting a little bit of pullback yesterday, so we added the merit put on our 65 short put, and that's green this morning. Exactly, this is what happened. The stock is pulling back. Why it's pulling back? Because we are looking for retest of 200 EMA right in this area. This area, it will not fall below 41.79. So another $2-3 pullback, and then it will continue. The area that we are looking the area of interest is 50.88, and then all the way up to the 60 area right here in this sell side order block liquidity swap. So first price target here we are looking at 50.88, and the second all out we are looking for 60.28. This is the area that will close all our position right here at $60, and we are out of SMCI. Moving forward to MSTR, we are continue to be bullish. Our upside price target, we are looking for 501.39. We'll be holding. We are continuously trading MSTR and MSTX doesn't matter. So we'll be holding. We'll exit all our position in this area, 501.39. We are looking for the pullback in this area from current price 412. This is the area of interest we are looking at, 343. This is going to be wave 2. If you look at it. So wave number 1, wave 2, and then continue wave 3 at 501 area. So right here, this double bottom, this wave 1 starts from here, wave 1 all the way here, wave 2, 349, wave 3 finish at 501 area. Then wave 4 and 5 an all-time high. That's it. So we are looking for a pullback on MSTR. It's a retracement. It's not a sell-off. It's a retracement of this bull run we had. Okay, VIX is shooting up continuously. This is what we were looking at. 1798 was the bottom. Every single day it was alerted. 1798. It dropped to 1783 precise. And now we have a recovery. We had a bullish harami candle right here yesterday, and now we have a green candle. We'll continue shooting upward because the market will be volatile, and that's the reason the VIX is going upward. So here we are looking, this is the price target we are looking for, 2970. That's what we are expecting the VIX to recover in this area. So 2970 is the price target, and then the VIX will pull back into wave 2. Okay, moving forward, very interesting what we are looking at on the UNH today. This is the stock we are interested in. UNH is something, it's oversold. So it started selling off on the CEO resignation, then continue to the bad news about the allegations and all, investigation from the Department of Justice, which generally happens. The stock supposed to stay here. This was the maximum area that we were looking for, seller 438. This added extra supply is a gift to the retail investors, especially. What will happen in this case? So yesterday it was holding at $308 and $310, and today it's trading at 284. Our bottom was 280.70. We have already hit the bottom on this stock. Any supply here will come because of the stop loss, because of the liquidation happening on multiple accounts. There will be thousands of people, they will be liquidated today because of this drop, because they'll not be able to hold their position. If someone is holding at $500, they'll cut at the loss. If someone bought at 438, they will be liquidated, the stop loss. So a lot of stop loss will be triggered, and added supply will come to the market, and that's the reason the price continue dropping. But is it worth buying? Definitely yes. 280.70. That's the price target. As soon as the market opens, I'll be taking a long position on this one. Leap call spread, I'm looking. The area we are looking for trading range on this one is right here. I already highlighted in the Discord group. So this is the area we are looking at, right in this area. Stock of the day, UNH, trading range from 280.454.89. So we'll be taking a position as soon as the market open, long call spread or bull put spread. So, but it has to be spread because we will be volatile because of the added liquidity in the market. So we are looking for an exit from UNH at 454.89. So that's the area we'll be trading, 454.89, right in this area. So this is the range we are looking to trade. This one. This is the area we want to trade. So mitigate this order block, cross, bull trap, another pullback. So it will recover. Take this SR interchange right here, this red area, red box. You see this one coming from left. So this is what the SR interchange is, the wave B. So it will shoot up, cross this, make the bull trap here above 454, and then pull back again. So we will be trading from 280. Most likely we will not get 280 now, but we'll try to see if we get the entry around 280.70. So that's our point of entry, and 454 is our exit. So we'll not be holding it for 600, and it's not going to 600. So the maximum upside target is 502. So it will not go below this because that's 200 EMA, Fibonacci retracement of this entire sell-off, right? 502.62, and it will sell off again. But we as we enter in trade early and exit early, so this is the area we are looking at, 280 to 454. So we'll definitely be taking a position. And interestingly, I would like to highlight something here. So when the SMCI sell off to $19, a lot of people were worried. And that on 1st of November, I posted that, like how the outcome will be. 5th of November, the company will report earnings, and they did. CFO stepped down. Another thing happened. Company filed 10K, did not file on 15 November, but they filed. DOJ get bribed. Yes, Department of Justice. That's what they are, like all the scammers sitting on the office. New accounting firm get appointed. That's what exactly happened. The BMO was appointed, and the previous company was they resigned from the accounting of SMCI. Retail investor lose the money, and fund always wins. Why a retail investor always lose? Because retail investors' psychology doesn't match with the market. So, and I'll explain you why it doesn't match now. Same thing will happen with the UNH. So look at here, when the UNH was trading at $600, okay, right in this area, it was trading at $600. Almost every single retail investor was thinking, oh, if it comes to 450, it comes to $500, right? The previous low right in this area, which was 439. Everybody was waiting for this area. Oh, if it come to 439, I will buy. But as soon as it come to 439 and sell off further, suddenly they will start posting shit on the social media. Oh, it's a scam company. They got invested. They got this. A CEO stepped down. There is some cook the book going on, or there is a lot of shit going on. Suddenly, the retail investor at $600, they were waiting for 439 to buy, but now it came to 280. Suddenly, they have a negative view about the company. That's how retail psychology works. Whenever there is an opportunity, they always start thinking, oh, it's a scam now. That's the problem with the retail investing. But institution will be loading today. And yesterday itself, if you go to fintel.io and you go to institution ownership of UNH, you'll see that millions and millions of shares were purchased yesterday in 320 area by the institution. They were buying with both hands. So that's what the reason retail investor will be taking a loss here, most likely buying some put, shorting the company, thinking it's going to zero. And suddenly 10 days down the line, you'll see the next green candle and the price will go above $350. This is how retail psychology works. What will happen on the UNH now? A new CEO is set to be appointed, which has already been announced. The former CEO has been appointed with the $60 million one-time bonus. He's soon to be joining the company. Next one, allegation suggested DOJ. DOJ is the most corrupt organization in the world. Let me tell you that. I shouldn't say on YouTube, but that's the fact. If some of you, if you have watched a Netflix series called Suit, then you have the fair idea what happens. All these kind of allegations, how they get sorted over the table. The two people sit on the table, they discuss, they have their share offering and all this, and the things goes away. The company will come clean, definitely, right here. Institution are loading the share and they are buying more and more, and that's the reason the institution is expected to acquire the share at discount. Company like BlackRock, who has the average buying of $510 per share on this one, why the hell they will let their $19-20 billion position go to wane and not average out their position at 287? This is what will happen. The institution will jump in to buy the price today. Tomorrow you will see the major institution buy, and yesterday itself it happens. Retail faces the losses once again. The history appears to be repeat itself, and this is what happens every single time any company which has a fraud allegation, accounting allegations being investigated by the DOJ or any other government institution. This is what happens. The retail investor take the loss because they give up on the company. Oh, it will take too long for the company to recover. It's a fraud company, this and that. And suddenly the institution take over the share because there will be enough liquidity in the market for the institution to take over the position right here. There will millions and millions of shares flooding the market because of the stop loss and liquidation. And who is ready to buy those is all institution. So you will see that there will be an institution buy right in this area from 280, 300. This area is the interest of institution. If I show you on weekly time frame, and you will see why the institution is buying here. You see this order block, the green order block right here. This is where the institution bought last time, this green. What was the price target? 279.12. So the institution were buying a UNH at 279.12, means $280. And the price is at 282 again. Why do you think the institution will not buy again at the same level where they were buying in which year? 2018, 2020. So the institution is getting the price of UNH, which was 2019 and 20 price. They are buying the share of UNH. They'll be jumping all over the floor today and buying. And you can track all their transaction of 13F filing after the market close at fintel.io, institution holding UNH. If you type on Google, it will open the link for you. So easy to track. Good stock to own right here in this area. And you will see the magic, 282, long position for 454. Moving forward, last assessment for the Bitcoin, and that's it. Okay, Bitcoin right here. I have to go on a smaller time frame to understand. So let's go on a daily time frame here. Okay, Bitcoin on a daily time frame, we see this the downside sell-off right in this area. I'm expecting the price to drop below $100,000 once before it continue the upward momentum. I'm looking for this price target, this 97,948 price to drop below 100 and make a bull trap and then continue upward towards 105,000 and 109,000. If precise, it's $109,953. And if you look at a lot of institutions, a lot of whales, I posted the screenshot yesterday right here. Look at this screenshot right here. $110,000, 356 Bitcoin, 381 Bitcoin. So this is the area where the bigger player are looking to exit, $110,000 right here. And that's perfectly matches with our price target of $109,953. So make a bear trap under $100,000 psychological level, trap the people. Oh, it's falling now again, $100,000. We don't know when it will cross back. The people will take the short position on the perpetual contract, like leverage contract, and suddenly it will shoot up again. So a little bit of correction here in Bitcoin, like $97,000, and then continue upwards. So that's all for today. If you have any question or comments, you can post in the comment box. If you have any ticker symbol you want me to cover in tomorrow pre-market briefing, you can also mention that in the comment box, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Happy trading.